All right, so this is what we're rolling with: 400, 1000, and 2000 grit. Gonna get that boat cleaned up.
The air, go to them hills and it's wait for me there.
Going 8-1 here. Go. So that is going to be the Poppy's Patina wipe-on gel coat. Now we got to add the catalyst. We'll be applying this new gel coat to the boat. There we go. 8-1. Probably stir this with something without paint on it. Yeah, we'll just use this. Clean that off. I got alcohol on these rags. Okay, let me turn. All right. These are the application rags I give you. Let's go run it. I'm gonna run it, make it look new. I hope. Hopefully we're gonna get rid of these spider cracks here. I don't know, but that's what we're praying for. Start here in the back. Smell it. Man, I think I was supposed to just dab it. I just like creamsicled it. Applied one coat of the gel coat. It is drying. You can still see the lines in there. I might have to go in there and sand a little bit just to level it out. But this side, it's getting there. We're gonna let it cure for 24 hours. It's filled in a lot of the spider cracks, which is pretty shocking. There were some of them right here. And I'm sure the more coats that we do, the more it's gonna fill in. And we can come back over and sand this stuff and level it out. You will see once it cures after 24 hours. But man, it's looking pretty good. And I'm also gonna buff it out after we're done here. Yeah, not looking too bad. It's filling the spots in. I didn't go as thick on this side, so. But yeah, looking good. Poppy Patinas. Go get you some.